Alam mo ba na may isang community dito sa Malbar na kung saan pwede kang tumira na parang nasa resort araw-araw? At the same time, malapit sa lahat ng essentials mo. School, work, hospitals, and leisures. Sounds good to be true, diba? Well, let me show you. For as low as 28,000 per month, pwede ka na magkaroon ng sariling bahay na parang nasa resort. Isang master plan community na designed para sa modernong lifestyle mo. Worried about your child's education? No need! Meron ng sariling school sa loob ng community, kaya hindi mo na kailangang mag-alala sa mahabang biyahe ng mga bata papunta sa school. Need a place to chill or work? May business center dito. Perfect for your coffee breaks, remote work, or catching up with friends. At eto pa, may outdoor gym equipment mismo sa park and playgrounds, kaya wala ka na excuse para hindi mag-exercise habang ini-enjoy ang fresh air. Siyempre, hindi rin mawawala ang classic swimming pool for a relaxing dip at ang basketball court para sa sports at fitness needs mo. May clubhouse din na perfect venue para sa special celebrations at events. At ang pinaka-best part, sobrang accessible ang location. Malapit lang ito sa Star Toll exit, kaya hassle-free ang biyahe. Plus, flood-free area ito, kaya siguradong worry-free ka. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? So ano pang hinihintay mo? Message us now and get more details. Schedule your site viewing. Let's turn your dream home into reality. I'm Pilar Garcia Reyes, your home partner, property specialist from Hope Team under Rise and Shine. See you later!